Betsy, and today we have a fun video for you. We're going to be doing my subscription boxing of Love with Foods. Now I purchased this at the beginning of April and it just started, so this is the May 2020 box. These boxes run $20 a month. I think it was like 60 bucks for 3 months because I paid for it all at once. And I was excited to try this one because it's supposed to be healthy snacks. So and it was a great way to try out some new products to see maybe what I liked that, you know, taste good and are still fun. So we'll see what's in here. I'm not going to taste test anything today, but I will let you know after I try some of these things on next month's box. So the first thing I see in here is I got a Cooper Street granola cookie bakes, which that is chocolate cherry. I love chocolate cherry. I also got a Bobo's Oat Bites. See how that goes. Okay, a chocolate chip cookie thinsters. So as you can see, they're all like individual snacks. This is my first one, so I haven't tried it yet. I also got some almond rice pop with blueberries by 180 Snacks. So far, none of these brands I've heard of, but I have heard of Ults. So I got some premium white chocolate or white cheddar popcorn. Love white cheddar popcorn. One of my favorite things to snack on. Purely Elizabeth Ancient Grain granola bar. A Kind dark chocolate and cherry cashew bar. A Natural Cut turkey snack stick. A Superfood Bunches of Crunches Superfood granola. Dark chocolate and sea salt with chia seeds or chai seeds. Some Smash fresh picked gummy balloons. So little gummies. What is this? Daryl Lee strawberry candy real twist. So they're made from real fruit. I also got from the farm Benito's original black bean and sea salt chips, a Karma golden turmeric wrapped cashews, some Boom Tikka Pop sea salt popcorn. I love this stuff. I buy the microwave version of this all the time, and for a whole bag it's only 160 calories, and for like movie night and stuff like that at our house, while everybody else eats regular popcorn, this stuff is awesome. I also got a coupon or something to try the Wave soda and the Glow Premium Electrolyte Hydration. So it's something else to talk about. And then I also got some Mango Ginger Chews. Interesting. And then last but not least, sorry, there's one more thing, is a tahini bar. It's a super seed sesame bar, and it's cocoa nibs. So, as I said, I'm losing stuff. Yeesh. Try out these snacks and let you know what I think. Some of them don't look appealing to me at all, but my kids or my husband will like it. And trying to find healthier things because I'm wanting to be healthier is not a bad thing. So, and it's an opportunity to try stuff without having to buy a whole bunch to see if I like it or not. So, we'll see how it goes. So, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button right down below. And because we post new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. But I guess that's it. So we shall see y'all on Wednesday.